Hello everyone, this is Tony Robbins, and today I want to talk to you about developing mental toughness and resilience. Life is full of challenges, setbacks, and unpredictable events. The difference between those who succeed and those who give up is not talent, luck, or circumstances. It is mental toughness and resilience. Mental toughness is the ability to stay focused, confident, and determined in the face of adversity. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, to adapt, and to continue moving forward. These qualities are not fixed. They can be developed, strengthened, and cultivated through deliberate practice and mindset. The first step in developing mental toughness is self-awareness. You must understand your thoughts, emotions, and reactions in challenging situations. Observe yourself under pressure. How do you respond when things don't go your way? Do you become anxious, frustrated, or discouraged? Awareness allows you to identify patterns, triggers, and limiting beliefs that weaken your mental strength. Once you are aware, you can begin to consciously choose new responses, empowering beliefs, and productive behaviors. The second step is embracing challenges. Mental toughness is forged through adversity, not comfort. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger, more capable, and more resilient. Stop avoiding difficulty. Seek it out intentionally. Treat obstacles as training grounds for your mind. Each time you confront a challenge and persevere, you reinforce your belief in your abilities and expand your capacity to handle future adversity. The third step is developing a growth mindset. People with mental toughness view setbacks as opportunities to learn, improve, and adapt. They do not see failure as permanent or as a reflection of their worth. Adopt the belief that every challenge, every mistake, and every difficulty contains valuable lessons. By focusing on learning and improvement, you transform adversity into fuel for growth. Step 4 is controlling your focus. Where attention goes, energy flows. Mental toughness is built by focusing on what you can control rather than worrying about what you cannot. Concentrate on solutions, actions, and possibilities rather than problems, limitations, or negative outcomes. The more you control your focus, the more resilient and empowered you become. Step 5 is managing your emotions. Strong minds are not free from emotion, but they are masters of emotion. Learn to recognize, regulate, and channel your emotions in constructive ways. Techniques such as deep breathing, visualization, self-talk, and mindfulness help you maintain composure under pressure. The ability to remain calm, focused, and decisive in adversity is a hallmark of mental toughness. Step 6 is building physical and mental stamina. Resilience is supported by your body as much as your mind. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, adequate rest, and stress management increase your energy, focus, and capacity to endure challenges. Physical toughness supports mental toughness because a strong body creates confidence, energy, and endurance. Step 7 is setting clear goals and purpose. People with resilience have a compelling reason to persevere. When your purpose is clear, setbacks become temporary obstacles rather than reasons to quit. Your goals provide direction, motivation, and focus. Every decision, every action, and every effort is aligned with your larger vision. Step 8 is taking consistent action. Mental toughness is built through repeated, disciplined effort. Small, consistent actions compounded over time create unstoppable strength and resilience. Do not wait for perfect conditions or ideal circumstances. Act decisively, persistently, and consistently. Step 9 is learning to adapt. Resilience is the ability to recover, adjust, and continue moving forward. Life will throw unexpected challenges. Your ability to pivot, problem solve, and remain flexible determines your capacity to thrive under pressure. Step 10 is cultivating supportive relationships. Surround yourself with people who encourage, challenge, and inspire you. Positive relationships provide emotional support, perspective, and reinforcement of your mental strength. Avoid toxic influences that undermine your confidence and resilience. These 10 principles form the foundation of mental toughness and resilience. Applied consistently, they transform your mindset, behaviors, and ability to navigate life challenges. Remember, toughness is not about being rigid or emotionless. It is about strength, flexibility, persistence, and mastery over yourself and your responses. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulties. It is about bouncing back stronger, faster, and wiser every time adversity strikes. By practicing awareness, embracing challenges, adopting a growth mindset, controlling your focus, managing your emotions, building stamina, setting clear purpose, taking consistent action, adapting to change, and surrounding yourself with supportive relationships, you create unshakable mental toughness. This mindset allows you to face any obstacle, recover from setbacks, and continue pursuing your goals with confidence and determination. Hello again, this is Tony Robbins, and now I want to take you even deeper into the strategies to develop mental toughness and resilience. Once you have the foundation, it's time to push beyond comfort and truly strengthen your mind. Step 11 is embracing discomfort. Every time you choose to step outside your comfort zone, you expand your capacity to handle stress, uncertainty, and challenge. Mental toughness grows when you willingly face discomfort and learn to thrive in it. Seek out challenges intentionally and see them as opportunities for growth. Step 12 is self-talk. The way you talk to yourself shapes your mindset and determines your resilience. Replace negative, limiting thoughts with empowering, constructive ones. Tell yourself, I can handle this, I will learn from this, and I am capable of more than I realize. Your internal dialogue is a constant influence on your confidence and persistence. Step 13 is visualization under pressure. Picture yourself succeeding in difficult situations. Imagine the challenges, imagine staying calm, focused, and decisive, and imagine overcoming the obstacles. Mental rehearsal strengthens your brain's ability to perform under pressure, creating automatic responses and increasing confidence. Step 14 is practicing gratitude. Gratitude may sound simple, but it is a powerful tool to build resilience. When you focus on what is going well, your energy shifts from negativity to positivity. Gratitude reinforces optimism, reduces stress, and strengthens your ability to bounce back from adversity. Step 15 is learning from setbacks. Every challenge, failure, or disappointment carries lessons. Mental toughness is strengthened by analyzing experiences, extracting insights, and applying them moving forward. Resilient people do not dwell on what went wrong. They focus on what they can learn and how they can improve. Step 16 is consistency in action. Mental toughness is a habit, and habits are built through repetition. Daily discipline, repeated practice, and relentless effort compound over time into unshakable strength. The small actions taken consistently are more powerful than sporadic bursts of intensity. Step 17 is goal alignment. Ensure your actions, priorities, and efforts align with your long-term vision. When your daily activities support your higher purpose, motivation, focus, and resilience increase naturally. Step 18 is stress management. High resilience does not mean ignoring stress, it means managing it effectively. Use techniques such as breathing exercises, meditation, physical activity, and visualization to control your response to stress. Step 19 is flexibility and adaptability. Life is unpredictable, and mental toughness requires the ability to pivot when circumstances change. The more adaptable you become, the stronger your resilience, because you can adjust rather than break under pressure. Step 20 is reflection and evaluation. Regularly review your performance, mindset, and decisions. Celebrate victories, analyze mistakes, and refine your strategies. Reflection strengthens awareness, teaches lessons, and reinforces mental toughness over time. These 10 additional principles, combined with the first 10, create a powerful system for developing mental toughness and resilience. Awareness, embracing challenges, growth mindset, focus, emotional control, stamina, purpose, consistent action, adaptability, supportive relationships, discomfort, self-talk, visualization, gratitude, learning from setbacks, consistency, goal alignment, stress management, flexibility, and reflection form a comprehensive framework. By consistently applying these strategies, you develop a mind that can withstand pressure, recover from adversity, and thrive in any environment. Mental toughness is not about being unfeeling, it is about being strong, focused, persistent, and adaptable. Resilience is not about avoiding difficulties, it is about bouncing back stronger, wiser, and more capable each time adversity arises. Now, in this final part, I want you to fully internalize these principles and make mental toughness and resilience a permanent part of your life. Step 21 is intentional exposure. Seek challenges that stretch your limits regularly. The more you confront adversity consciously, the stronger and more capable your mind becomes. Step 22 is accountability. Surround yourself with mentors, peers, or coaches who will hold you accountable for your growth and performance. Accountability strengthens discipline, focus, and follow through, which are key to resilience. Step 23 is purpose-driven action. Align every decision and action with your larger vision and values. When you know why you are pushing forward, motivation, perseverance, and mental strength naturally follow. Step 24 is emotional intelligence. Develop the ability to read, understand, and manage your emotions and the emotions of others. This skill enhances your decision-making under pressure and allows you to maintain composure during challenges. Step 25 is problem solving under pressure. Train yourself to analyze situations calmly, identify options, and act decisively. Mental toughness is defined by your ability to take effective action even in difficult circumstances. Step 26 is cultivating patience. Resilience requires the ability to endure and persist over time. Understand that success and growth are processes, not instant results. Patience allows you to navigate obstacles without losing motivation or composure. Step 27 is visualization of long-term success. Picture yourself achieving your goals, overcoming challenges, and thriving despite adversity. This long-term perspective reinforces commitment and resilience in the present. Step 28 is building supportive networks. Surround yourself with people who inspire, encourage, and challenge you. Relationships that reinforce positive habits and mindset amplify mental toughness. Step 29 is self-care and energy management. Resilience is closely tied to your physical and mental energy. Exercise, proper nutrition, rest, and stress management increase your capacity to endure challenges and recover quickly. Step 30 is reflection and continuous improvement. Consistently evaluate your experiences, extract lessons, and apply them moving forward. Reflection strengthens self-awareness, reinforces growth, and deepens resilience. By applying these 30 principles consistently, you develop mental toughness and resilience that allow you to face any challenge, overcome setbacks, and thrive under pressure. Remember, toughness is not about being emotionless. It is about mastering your responses, staying focused, and persisting despite difficulties. Resilience is not about avoiding challenges. It is about recovering, adapting, and growing stronger with every obstacle. Implement these principles daily, embrace discomfort, take decisive action, manage your emotions, and build habits that reinforce strength. Over time, your mind will become unshackable, your resilience will be automatic, and your ability to navigate life's challenges will be extraordinary. This is the path to mental toughness and resilience, and when you practice it consistently, your life will be transformed beyond imagination.